Sabi dito, parents weigh in on graduation awards. Parang lahat ng bata may honor. You know what? I actually agree on that. Yung awards ngayon, parang binibigay sa lahat so that they won't feel that they are being left out. Now, ang problema kasi nun, lumalaki yung bata thinking that they are good at something when you can actually show them the reality of their situation para magawan nila ng paraan. And that's going to damage how the individual or how the kid would view the world pag lumaki sila. And this is Pinoy Extreme, and pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung topic na yan. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
35.
That's right again, smarty pants.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, Bean, working on the math, huh?
Yep. Mommy said if I get all my math questions right, I get to ride my bike to school with Becky Fader.
Really? Okay, Bean. Well, what's 7 plus 9?
79.
Is he a little boy or a computer? 'Cause
Don't destroy his confidence.
Ang mahirap ngayon sa sitwasyon natin, we protect people, we protect weak people doon sa realidad ng buhay. And ang masakit kasi nito, yung realidad na yon, imbes na gamitin ng individual to actually learn from their mistakes, we hide those mistakes from them para lang isipin natin na this is the better way of handling things. This is the more humane way on how to teach someone how to improve. But that's not going to be effective. Because lalaki sila na alam nilang magaling sila, and that confidence without wisdom, ikakapahamak nila yan. Now, we are going to, well, let's say, put into perspective yung worst case scenario ng pagprotekta sa individual when it comes to failure. And gagamit tayo ng argumentum ad absurdum, which means we are going to make it absurd para lang makita nyo kung bakit hindi natin siya dapat gawin.
More than that. Hey, are those people standing?
What? Huh?
What's going on over there? How are they doing that? They can walk on 2 limbs?
Why don't you just walk?
Oh, so you've come to mock us? Everyone here has tried walking one time in their life, but falling down hurts. Plus, it looks so silly that the rest of us laugh.
O diba, Pinoy na Pinoy yung rasunan nila. So, tingin nila, yung taong nagsasabi or nag-e-encourage sa kanila na magpatuloy regardless of failing, tingin nila, minamaliit nila yung taong ini-encourage nila.
This is no way to live. You can't just give up after one failure.
Failure is just information to help us improve.
There's no shame in failure. It's the fastest way to get better.
Now, marami kasi sa atin na tinitignan nila yung failure as opposite of success. But again, uulit-ulitin ko, failure is not opposite of success. It is part of success because failure at some point teaches you the things that does not work towards your goal. So if that is how failure should be looked at, then ibig sabihin, matuto tayong hindi na maulit yung pagkakamali na nagawa natin. Kasi nga, if we keep on doing those mistakes, expecting a different result, that's madness.
I don't know about that. Failing at walking looks painful.
Failing is painful, sometimes physically, sometimes emotionally. But it doesn't compare to the pain of never progressing.
Okay, now, eto na yung masama dito. A lot of groups who have ulterior motive turned failure into a tool that will make their agenda progress. Tinuro ngayon nila sa mga tao na pag nag-fail ka, wala sa'yo yung dapat magbago, kundi sa ibang tao na gagawa ng kung ano para magtagumpay ka. And that's ridiculous. Because we are where we are right now because of our individual choices. Choice natin kung magsasucess tayo dahil choice natin kung gagawin natin yung mga bagay na hindi naman gumagana or hindi naman nagpapalapit sa atin towards our goal. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
35.
That's right again, smarty pants.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, Bean, working on the math, huh?
Yep. Mommy said if I get all my math questions right, I get to ride my bike to school with Becky Fader.
Really? Okay, Bean. Well, what's 7 plus 9?
79.
Is he a little boy or a computer? 'Cause
Don't destroy his confidence.
Happy summer, everybody.
Whoa! Okay, you sure you want to go with those boots, honey? I know you bedazzled them yourself. I'm just wondering if they'll attract too much attention. You know, from outer space.
It's the last day of school, and Mom says I'm free to express myself.
Oh, building the confidence right here with R2D2.
Confidence. K-O-B-R-Q-Z-Y. Confidence.
Well, we're not gonna have to pay for college, that's for sure.